Right, it's a bit of an exciting day today. I'm waiting for a very special delivery. It's coming very, very soon. Now, we will be doing some work on RT2629. That's coming up shortly. But first of all, we're going to wait for the delivery to arrive before we crack on with the work. And while we're waiting for that delivery, let's have a cup of tea. There's still no sign of it. What I'm looking out for is red. I do believe it has arrived. You got some stuff there for us?
Yeah, bit of stuff.
Lovely, thank you very much, cheers. Whew. Right, here we are. Now, I think it's this one. Put these two on the floor for now. And there it is. That's what I've been waiting for. Can you tell what it is? Yeah, I know you know it's a teapot, but this is a special teapot. I found it on eBay, £22, what a bargain. This is an old British Rail teapot. Now, I'm not sure where within BR that it was used, but I assume it's from a first class service on one of their trains. Let's give it a clean and make a nice cup of tea, shall we? Oh, look at that. Here we go, boys. Our first cup of tea from our British Rail teapot.
Hey.
Mr. Jones.
It's a grand cup of tea, is that?
Heinzie.
Mr. Tim.
So what do we think of our first cup of tea with our new British Rail teapot then?
Super smashing great.
Oh, just like sitting in a Mark 1 buffet coach.
We might get on with some work in a minute. We've had our cup of tea from our brand new British Rail teapot. It's time to crack on with a little bit of work. As you can see, Tim behind me is prepping the engine bay ready for paint. And that's what we're going to be concentrating on over the next few days. With the engine out, we're taking advantage of all that space. We're going to paint the engine bay, and at the same time, we're going to paint the chassis as well. If you watch one of the earlier videos, you'll know we painted the back end of the bus. That chassis there is looking great. The front end still needs a bit of work. So that's what we're going to be doing over the next couple of days. Here we go then, Here we go then. My turn to make a bit of mess. So there you have it. It's been a great team effort. The three of us, we've put the hours in, we've shared the job. That needle gunning is almost done. There's one or two things that we need to remove from the chassis before we can paint, and we're going to crack on with that job next. One very oily rear engine mount. It's going to need a good clean before we paint this.
The next job we need to do on the chassis is remove the main air tank and the auto lube tank which is attached to it, along with a composite valve, and then we can paint all these bits separately, and we can also get up the back here to prep and paint the chassis. Right, keep going. That's it. It's amazing what a difference
I'll drop my heat.
a little bit of heat makes. Just wiggle. No. Wiggle again.
Is it out?
It's out.
Right.
Looks like.
Up we go.
What?
No, we need to come along now.
Okay.
Yeah.
The lift don't come along. They only go up or down.
We need to wiggle it off the pipe. That's it. Done. Whoop.
Now what? Going up.
Oh, then you'll stop.
So now that we got the air tank off the bus, this area that was sitting behind it has now been exposed, so we're going to give it a good needle gunning and wire brushing.
When we took the engine out of the bus, we noticed that this fuel tank here is leaking in this bottom corner. Now that's because the soldered joint has gone and it needs repairing. This fuel tank is the gravity feed tank for the fuel pump that runs the engine, and this is filled up by a lift pump that is driven by the gearbox, which pumps fuel from the main tank up into this tank here before it goes through the filter. What we need to do is take this tank off, and we can put a spare on that we've had from Lord Barrington while we get this one repaired, and we can also work on this back wall and replace the sound deadening material that's all flaking away.
This is going to piss everywhere. Have you got? Can you pass that bowl, please? And there it is. One little fuel tank removed. The fourth nut was
So
the
you
worst.
said it was going to leak everywhere.
It must be empty. It's been leaking.
It's already leaked for weeks.
It's been leaking on our head for weeks. Wow, it's heavy. See what we're pulling off? Well, there you have it. After many, many hours, this godforsaking, mind-numbing, awful job of needle gunning is just about done. The prep is almost over, and all we've got to do now is a bit of masking up, and then we can get the paint out.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hang on a minute, Dave. You've missed all up here. Half a job, Dave.
You're joking?
Come on, get your needle gun.
Right, half an hour later, Are we done?
Nearly. I think we're nearly there.
Right, we think that is the prep just about done. Before we can get the spray gun out though, we've got a bit of masking up to do. Are you sure you're happy with everything?
I'd better check.
Oh, he's such a slave driver. So there you have it. That's the first of 3 coats of the green primer going on. When the primer's done, we're going to give it 3 coats of the silver top coat. And there you have it. The job is done. Now, Tim was here until the early hours of the morning, getting 3 coats of that green primer on and 3 coats of that silver top coat. And as you can see, the finished result looks stunning. From the front of the bus all the way to the back, the whole chassis has now been silvered. And as you can see, it was worth all the extra hours that me, Tim and Alan put in the prep. Because with any paint job, the more you can do prep-wise, the better the finished result will be. And that is the end of this video. So from me, Tim and Alan, thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you have enjoyed this episode, hit that like button, give us a thumbs up. If you've not done so already, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell as well, because then you get notified every time we release a new video. And we do that every 2 weeks here on this channel. There is, of course, the dislike button. And remember, if you haven't enjoyed this episode, and if you haven't enjoyed it, why are you still here watching? But if you want to hit that dislike button, that's there as well. But remember, you've got to hit that button twice. The outtakes are on the way for you next. So until next time, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
The next job we need to do is remove the main air tank, and with that is the auto lube tank and the
No, I didn't record. Can you go and do that again?
What?
keep going. That's it. It's amazing what a difference
I'll drop my heat.
a little bit of heat makes.
Just turn it with your fingers, Alan. It'll be a lot easier now.
Fucking tosser.
Right, quiet on the set, please. Quiet. Fucking hell. Stop it. I can still feel it through your hand. That shakes all the one single brain cell I've got.